London-listed oil company Afren has a number of interests around the world. We're talking now to the technical director, Iain Wright, who joins us with some more details. You tell investors that you're on track to deliver, but give us some more detail about what's happening.
Yeah, we've said this year that we'll be delivering net to the company between 42 and 46 million barrels a day from our production, and we're online to deliver that. And expect to continue to deliver against our promises and our market guidance going forward.
Producing where? Because I mean, you're
Nigeria
in
mainly. We have 2 fields producing in Nigeria. Then we also have production from Côte d'Ivoire, and now just started up in Kurdistan.
What's Kurdistan like to work in? We've heard a lot about what's happening, and of course now some of the larger majors are coming in.
We think it's a great place to work. People are very good, very friendly, very cooperative, want to help to start to develop the oil industry in Kurdistan. And we've been able to put in a complete infrastructure, offices, people, and get our field on stream in a year. So we're able to work very quickly to do what we need to do and have the support of the government and people in Kurdistan to do.
So at the moment you're producing, what, 1,500 barrels a day? Is that
we
right?
just started up in an early production facility, get to understand how the reservoir performs, then start ramping up production. We'll start drilling new wells, and the idea is to continue to grow our production base and reserves as we go forward in the coming years.
Yeah. But how do you feel in a place like that where, as I say, the majors aren't coming in? Is there a vulnerability for Afren, do you think? Do you think some of the majors will come in and start to buy up these smaller companies, smaller producing companies?
Well, there's certainly some evidence that that's happening. For us, we've got a good asset, we're a good team. Our view is that we're going to continue to grow in Kurdistan as Afren. So.
Yeah. Now, Nigeria, producing there as well. What's the outlook for the Nigerian production?
Well, Nigeria is where we started. It's we understand it very well. We enjoy working there, and we've got some very good assets, both with an exploration success in Nigeria earlier this year. So our production and our reserves growth is looking to continue to grow as it has done in previous years.
Talking to people at the Oil Council here in London, one of the areas that people are looking at a lot now is East Africa, looking very exciting. You have moved. I think you started there 2010, didn't you? So you've been there, one of the early starters, I suppose.
In fact, we got in there with a portfolio two years ago, and now shot a lot of seismic, doing our technical work to understand our portfolio. Our prospective resource base has grown significantly, and now we're looking to start our drilling programs in the coming months and years as we go forward. So very excited about that.
There's a lot of excitement around, as I say, not just Afren, but the oil sector generally. Where do you see Afren, let's say, in a year's time? Because, I mean, disregarding all the economic backdrop and so forth, in terms of your expected position in a year's time?
Well, I expect our market cap to be bigger. I expect our reserve base to be larger, and our production growth to be to continue to increase, and basically developing into a full cycle E&P company. We've got our production and our development down. We're starting our exploration program, and the integration of those two from these geographically diverse areas will allow us to really diversify our portfolio, our risks, and also continue to add shareholder value.
Within the next year, do you see the tipping point when you start to pay for your exploration development out of existing production? Because that's not happening at the moment, is it?
No, it is. It is in Nigeria,
right.
and in Kurdistan. Very shortly into the cycle, we'll start the revenues we generate from our Kurdistan production will be reinvested and allow us to continue to develop that program as well.
Okay. Well, look, it's been a pleasure. Thanks indeed for dropping by, explaining a little bit about what Afren is doing. That's the technical director there, Iain Wright from Afren.